Helicopters employed by the Tactical Aviation Wing require 3 levels of maintenance to ensure their continued support of the land forces. Level 1 maintenance, such as servicing, replacement of minor assemblies, systems replenishment, and minor repairs, is accomplished in location by the operational helicopter squadrons, while Level 3 maintenance is carried out in the Corps rear area or at contractor facilities. The role of the Tactical Aviation Wing Maintenance Squadron is to provide second-line aircraft maintenance support to the wing. This support is considered to be any aircraft maintenance activity taking in excess of 2 hours to complete, and includes providing aircraft spares and replacement equipment to the squadrons within the wing. The maintenance squadron is an integral part of the Tactical Aviation Wing. The squadron is organized into a headquarters, a maintenance flight, an avionics flight, a maintenance support flight, and a service support flight. There are 20 military occupations represented in the squadron. The squadron commander and his deputy are aerospace engineers, as are the maintenance, avionics, and maintenance support flight commanders. The service support flight is commanded by a logistics officer, and experienced pilots fulfill the dual role of maintenance test pilots and operations officers. Aircraft maintenance activities are carried out by technicians from 10 aircraft technical trades, and a further 7 trades provide the required support functions. The squadron's personnel establishment totals approximately 250, all ranks. The headquarters incorporates a command post and a maintenance control center. The command post function oversees all squadron operational and tactical activities, including preparation of movement orders, communications, mobile repair team dispatch, as well as test and ferry flight assignment. The scheduling and control of aircraft maintenance activities, including technical administration and liaison, is carried out by the Maintenance Control Center. The maintenance flight's major responsibilities are the completion of periodic and supplementary inspections, snag rectification, and the provision of personnel to form mobile repair teams. The avionics flight is responsible for effecting second-line maintenance relating to avionics and instrument and electrical systems. It supports the maintenance flight with avionics and instrument electrical workshops and provides personnel for MRTs when required. The maintenance support flight is responsible for all refinishing and workshop activities, for the maintenance and repair of safety equipment and air weapons, for the operation of the Tool Control Center, and for the maintenance of all aircraft support equipment. It assists the other flights as required and also provides personnel for the MRTs. The service support flight is responsible for first-line messing, accommodation, administration, transport, supply, and medical support. This flight is the principal organization for the provision of aircraft spares within the wing. The squadron's major equipment consists of approximately 75 vehicles, such as light vehicles, medium cargo vehicles, specially equipped vehicles, and recovery vehicles. It also has 2 sets of forward area refueling equipment. Specially equipped vehicles are the backbone of the squadron's maintenance capability. Each SEV is a specialized, self-contained shop which provides a mobile second-line repair and inspection facility and may, if required, be deployed as part of a MRT. In the event that buildings are not available, the squadron uses portable shelters to house aircraft undergoing extensive maintenance. It also incorporates a decontamination unit for operations in a nuclear or chemical environment. The squadron uses the area trunk system for the bulk of its communications, backed up by combat net radio for voice and message traffic. The maintenance squadron command net is used for all squadron communications, including control of MRT activities. Landline is used for local communications within the squadron's location. The squadron is normally located in the rear of the division administrative area. This location provides easier access to core support facilities and the relative degree of security required to conduct second-line maintenance. The squadron is on 6 hours' notice to move throughout its maintenance operations. The location must also permit access to wing headquarters and other aviation units. A typical field layout would have a landing zone and a parking area with shelters for attack, utility, and observation helicopter inspections, and for snag rectification. The squadron headquarters is sited in an area accessible to all subunits. SEVs are sited according to their function. The administrative area is separated from the work area, and the entire complex is laid out to provide all-around defense. The size and location of the landing zone are critical factors in the selection of a site, due to the volume of air traffic and the number of test flights associated with supporting large numbers of aircraft, along with the requirement for tactical dispersal on the ground. The squadron is responsible for its own self-defense and must be prepared to fight and defend itself. The major technical tasks undertaken by the squadron are periodic and supplementary inspections, snag recovery, in situ repairs, maintenance control and records, and test flights. Periodic inspections, which ensure the continued airworthiness of aircraft, form a large share of the squadron workload. These are major maintenance activities which can take from days to weeks to complete and are carried out at predetermined intervals based on flying hours. Card decks, a form of checklist, act as a standards control and detail the specific inspection item. Much of the inspection is carried out on the aircraft. However, many components must be removed and passed to the specialized workshops for their detailed inspection and calibration. A variety of aircraft hardware and components, ranging from individual bolts in rotor assemblies to major items such as power plants, are assigned a service life based on flying hours. Items which have reached their authorized life are replaced during periodic inspections. Many items on an aircraft must be inspected and serviced at more frequent intervals than those specified in the periodic inspection schedules. These supplementary inspections typically include lubrication and oil filter changes, as well as wash procedures on the engine compressors. These inspections take only hours to complete and are scheduled to have minimal operational impact on the frontline squadrons. Ideally, the aircraft will be flown to their maintenance squadron location for their required supplementary inspections, returning to service within a few hours.
And what do we break today?
There are many components in an aircraft which have no predetermined life and which will fail in use. These components are either discovered during an inspection or reported by the air crews as snags. These unscheduled maintenance requirements entail the rectification of major snags such as engine changes, intermediate snags such as repair or replacement of radio or avionics equipment, and minor snags that first-line units cannot rectify due to lack of tooling, test equipment, or time. Rectification of major snags generally is carried out using shelter accommodation, while many intermediate and minor snags are repaired outdoors. Aircraft with defects which do not jeopardize their airworthiness are frequently flown to the maintenance squadron for repair. In instances where the aircraft cannot be flown due to the nature of the snag or weather, the wing headquarters tasks the maintenance squadron to dispatch a MRT. Team composition varies with the nature of the snag, estimated transportation requirements, and tactical considerations. Team members are drawn as required from all of the squadron's flights. The aircraft will be repaired on site or transported to a location where repairs can be accomplished. The Aircraft Maintenance Control and Records Office is separate from the Squadron Headquarters Maintenance Control Center. This office maintains the technical logs for all supported aircraft, prepares numerous reports and returns on behalf of the supported units, maintains a master technical library, and directs a comprehensive quality assurance program designed to monitor maintenance standards within the squadron. The office liaises with wing headquarters staff who analyze and assign priorities to ensure that the maintenance support requirements of all the wing's squadrons are integrated with division operational requirements. This liaison provides a smooth, steady flow of work into the maintenance squadron. Test flights are required to identify defects before and ensure airworthiness following a periodic inspection, as well as confirm airworthiness following many other maintenance activities. Maintenance test pilots are selected for their knowledge, experience, and expertise. They are invaluable links in diagnostic and adjustment procedures and are instrumental in returning the wing's aircraft to service in minimum time.
Yeah, that's a good engine.
The aviation units within the wing are tied into the divisional and brigade replenishment systems, and except for aircraft spares, are resupplied on the same basis as land force units. Wing units obtain their aviation spares from the maintenance squadron, which either satisfies their demands from within its own stock or obtains the required spares from core resources. Routine delivery of these spares is accomplished through delivery points. Priority delivery can be arranged by road or air. During peacetime, aircraft inspection and repair procedures are tempered by economic factors which dictate requirements beyond those concerned only with airworthiness and mission capability. Under these conditions, procedures are designed to cater to immediate requirements and also to ensure durability. The peacetime philosophy, which addresses the need to take full advantage of the fatigue life of aircraft, is not entirely appropriate for operations during wartime or during emergency conditions. In operations, the aircraft maintenance schedule is amended by deleting those inspection items which are not critical to flight safety or mission accomplishment. This action reduces the time required to complete the inspection, thereby providing the operational commander with the maximum number of aircraft. Whenever reduced activity permits, the maintenance schedules will return to peacetime standards and methods. Some aircraft will sustain battle damage during the conduct of a mission or on the ground. In some circumstances, operational requirements will dictate the use of rapid repair techniques, known as aircraft battle damage repair. The concept is based on the principles of simplicity and speed and has the goal of ensuring an aircraft can fly at least one additional combat sortie with at least minimum mission capability. Although there are go, no-go guidelines for critical components, actual battle damage repair techniques are limited only by the experience and ingenuity of the technicians. If repairs cannot be accomplished within a reasonable time frame, the aircraft could be cannibalized or, if the combat situation warrants, destroyed. The Wing Maintenance Squadron is designed to meet the second-line maintenance needs of aircraft dedicated to division operations. It is a key element in ensuring maximum aircraft sorties are available to the operational commander, and it provides a significant contribution to the success of the land battle.